Konichiwa Minasan. As I'm going through some old footage, I came across some videos I took of last year's Dosojin Fire Festival. While the most famous fire festival in Japan is in Nozawa Onsen, our village has a much smaller and intimate version. We were fortunate to be invited and loved the cultural experience. As I have mentioned before, I have never felt so warmly embraced by a community as I have been here. On to the festival. After carrying the fire from the village hall up through the fields, a battle ensues where village elders try to light the pyre on fire while the youth try to resist their attempts by swinging woven batons to put out the fire. The festival is a tradition and a way to pray for good health, a good harvest, and a good year ahead. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but us youth lose the fight and the fire always wins. What fun would a fire festival be without the bonfire? On top of the pyre are a number of papier-mâché Daruma heads whose wishes had clearly come true and their time had come. With the bonfire being lit, the fun was just beginning. New Year's gifts of oranges, snacks, and drinks started to be passed around, as well as bottomless glasses of sake which seemed to refill quicker than I could drink it. As the fire died down, we went back to the village hall for a lovely meal and more sake. I love this place.
こっちの下に入ってます。もちろん。とてもね、一枚じゃね、無理無理。なんだなんだ。